guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the overheating problem in the Traxxas Rustler 4x4. So let's just whip off this body shield, like that. So what you're going to need is a 2.0mm driver, or just a 2mm driver, and a 2.5mm driver. So yeah. So the most obvious thing is that if it is overheating, then your mesh is too tight. But what you actually need to do to set that mesh very well is take these top screws off at the top, and then there's two screws underneath. So now let's flip the car over. So now flip the car back over, and you should just be able to twist it and it should come out. Might want to grab it from shop towel and just hold the front end. So there's the front, the rear, sorry, of the car. So guys, as you can see in there, that mesh is absolutely perfect. And you just want to go around the gear. So check it like that there, push forward a bit, check it like that there. And just one good tip is to put a piece of paper between the gears and do it that way, and it should be the right kind of mesh. But I like doing it manually because then I know exactly what it's like. And it should roll smoothly, which mine is. Make sure all of your bearings are like smooth as. The way I found to fix the problem of the motors overheating is by loosening that screw there and that screw there. So to get to them, you're probably going to want to take this bumper off. So when you took those two screws out, you just want to twist the bumper off like that, and it should just come off straight away. So now I can access those two screws. I loosened them off and screwed them back in at the rate that I felt that it was acceptable. And straight after that I got some really good results, so maybe you want to try that as well. One thing also guys that might help you out is the way you're driving the car. So if you are driving the Rustler among stuff like gravel and sand, then the wheels are going to be spinning constantly for a long time, and it's just going to overheat just very fast. So if you're doing stuff like that, that'll be a reason why it overheats very fast. In my case it didn't, and it was just those two back screws there that were messing it all up. Or if you are doing speed runs constantly, or you're zipping it down the street all the time, that's going to overheat the motor. So just be careful of stuff like that. Bashing, I bashed this car and I don't get overheating problems, so it must be fine. On 3S I kind of get overheating problems, but it takes a while and it gets to like the quarter of the battery, so I have to kind of let the car cool down, so it's not too bad really. But anyway, if you like this video, like it and subscribe, because I want to boost this channel up, and I hope these tips helped you out. See you later, bye.